Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to be back, and I wanted to show you some of the Christmas decorations that I'm doing in my home. I still have more to do, but I wanted to start off by showing you 3 mini Christmas trees, just in case you wanted ideas for some that you may be making. Let's start off with the simplest one, the fir Christmas tree. For this project, you will either need a foam tree, like I have, or you can make a paper cone using poster board. You will also need 5 boas. There are a number of places you can get them from, but I purchased mine from Michael's. I placed hot glue on the top side of the cone. I took the end of one of the boas and placed it on top. Next, I flipped the cone over and placed the glue on the other side. Afterwards, I pulled the boa over to secure it on that side. Next, I added a little bit of glue in the middle of the top of the cone and started to wrap the boa around it. Continued wrapping it down the cone until I was at the end of the boa. Once I was at the end, I added hot glue to the foam and secured the end of the boa. I took another boa and clipped the end of it before I glued it to the foam. I placed the end of the boa where the other one ended and continued to wrap it down the cone. I repeated the same process until the end of the cone. I repeated the same process until I was at the end of the cone. The boa is so fluffy that no one will be able to tell where it ends or starts. And that's it. This is a simple yet elegant tree that you can quickly make. I'm planning to decorate it just a tad bit more once I get a couple of things. So the next tree that I wanted to show you is called a beaded tree. For this tree, I placed a strip of hot glue at the bottom side of the cone. Then I cut one of the necklaces in half and placed one end of the beads on top of the glue. I purchased my beads from Michael's and it comes in a pack of 12, but you can find this at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, or any other craft store. So what I did was sit the cone facing up, and then I started gluing the beads around it. Once I got to the end of the bead strand, I cut another necklace in half, and then I placed the end of it right where I stopped. Once I got to the top, I decided to do something a little bit different, and I took a couple of glitter berries that I found from the Dollar Tree and glued some to the top. Afterwards, I decided to brush on Mod Podge on top of the beads and add some fine and chunky glitter on top to make the tree sparkle. Once I was finished, I just let it dry overnight. Just look at it sparkle. The last one that I wanted to show you is called the bell tree. It's really not that hard to do, but it's tedious. Not everyone will want to make this, but if you do make it, I bet it will last a long time. For this tree, I purchased about 15 packs of bells from the Dollar Tree. Since I had such a tall cone, I had to fill it up. But if you have a smaller cone, you will not need as much as me. I purchased both the medium and small bells, and you can tell the size of it by the count. The smaller the count, the bigger it is. I started off gluing the bells at the top of the cone and continue downwards. Once I finished adding all the bells on the cone, it was super heavy, which was good. No one will be knocking that cone over. I wanted to make it sparkle as well, so I brushed on Mod Podge and then I added fine and chunky glitter on top. I thought this was a nice tree to make. It was super heavy, it's pretty, and it makes that bell noise. Perfect for Christmas. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I have more decorations to make. I'll be back soon. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.